In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Shopify store. Now, there's multiple ways that you could do this, but one of the most common ways that established Shopify stores do is that they use an automated service, and it's basically an app on Shopify that automatically backs up all your images, data, etc. So in order to download it, all you want to do is you want to select on apps just like so, and there's many great ones out there. One of the most popular ones is Rewind Backups, so you can go ahead and just look for that just like so, and then you guys can go ahead and install it. Keep in mind that there is a free trial available, but afterwards it is going to cost around $20 a month, so it is really important to keep that in mind. And there's many other options out there. There's also another good one called Backup Master, so let's go ahead and look that up. So yep, apps, then let's go ahead and look up Backup Master. We also do have this right over here that you can go ahead and install. And these apps back up products, customers, orders, themes, collections, blog posts, pages, files, and settings. And it lets you restore it with one click. You guys could also manually download some data from the Shopify admin panel itself. So what you could do is you can go ahead and select on products, for example, and then you want to go ahead and select on this option that says export. And then this is going to create a CVS file with all of your products and stuff like that. Then you guys can go ahead and just export that as well. And you guys could do the same thing with customers. So if you do have customers and you press on this, then you're going to see an option that says export, and you want to go ahead and press on that. And same thing with orders right over here. You guys could also download your orders as well. And for themes, in order to do that, all you want to do is you want to select on online store just like this, make sure that themes is selected, then go ahead and press on these three dots, then go ahead and select on download theme file. And then afterwards, Shopify is going to email you a .zip of your theme. And then from there, you guys could use that information in order to actually back up your store. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.